Doing to ensure that the best possible health care is delivered to people in the Rhondda?
Thank Leanne Wood for that question. The Welsh Government invests in a series of measures to provide the people of the Rhondda with the best possible care. The £6 million investment in a diagnostic hub to improve waiting times and the £2 million partnership with Macmillan to improve palliative care are only two examples of that determination.
As far as I and many thousands of others living in the Rhondda are concerned, we are best served by having a 24-hour consultant-led accident and emergency department operating out of the Royal Glamorgan Hospital. As we've seen with the centralisation of maternity services in Cwm Taf University Health Board, it's not a panacea to the deep-rooted problems faced by the Welsh NHS, namely understaff and overworked personnel. With the centralisation of paediatric services currently on ice, surely this means that this Labour experiment now has to be over. I was told last week that a statement from the Health Minister on the 2nd of July on the Task and Finish Group on Critical Cares report would be an appropriate time to raise the future of A&E at the Royal Glamorgan. I'm afraid I and the people of the Rhondda, not to mention concerned staff who have approached me, want assurances, not just assurances, but guarantees before then that our nearest accident and emergency department is to stay where it is and it will not go the same way as the maternity department did. Will you now provide those reassurances to my Rhondda constituents?
Well, thank the member for that, and I've had the benefit of seeing her letter to the Health Minister, and I can say to the member this. There has been no removal of emergency department consultants from the Royal Glamorgan Hospital, nor have such consultant posts been removed from the hospital at any time. 4 whole-time equivalent consultant posts remain at the Royal Glamorgan Emergency Department, and where people move on and people do get new jobs and go to further in their careers, those posts will be replaced. They will be replaced, we hope, by substantive posts, and a number of expressions of interest for vacancies at the Royal Glamorgan have already been received and are being considered by the Health Board. If we have to fill those posts on a temporary basis by locum appointments, then that's what we will do. That is the future for that emergency department, and I'm very glad to have had the opportunity to put that on the record here this afternoon.